That's enough camping. I'm done.
Good night, ladies.
Night. I love you.
Love you.
I love you.
Yeah, I'm leaving. I'm going home to sleep in my own bed. I'm not sleeping in this RV, so I'm going home. Home. Hey girls, I'm sure you won't read this until tomorrow morning, but when you wake up, you'll realize I'm not there, and I just wanted you to know that I'm okay. And I just couldn't take it. I knew I wasn't gonna get any sleep, so I'm gonna head home, but I love you madly, and that was a lot of fun. Anyway, ta-ta, ladies. And let's go home.
Yes, ma'am.